Designer sport coats are $179. Plus all treasures for $99.
He doesn't get off. He doesn't run away.
She tried to bite it. And that's it. And
you're not even close. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys. Ano na bang oras? Hala, malapit na palang mag-12, oy. Ito pala yung gamit ko, guys. Oh. Ito siya. Para sa kamay na dry. Good morning! Good morning. Hindi na good morning, guys. Good evening na. I think good evening na. Kasi time to come down here. Tawagan natin yung asawa ko din. What are you guys doing? Uy? Lasing ko na, guys. 5 o'clock na. Saan ko napakainin itong aso. And wala pang kain yung biyanan ko. Anyway, magluto ako ng maaga kasi magluluto lang ako, guys. Magbe-bake lang ako ng lamb. And yeah, so yun lamb yung i-bake natin. And then yun. Malapit na si Tami, guys. Malapit na siya dito. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung ipakakain ko sa kanila. Lamb lang at saka yung gulay at saka kanin at saka yan. Yan lang po. So, do you know? You could get him. He's here. Dada's here, baby. Roxy. Pretty dog. You're such a pretty. Tignan nyo yung ano niya, buntot. It's just a pretty. Rocky. Hala, Dada's here. You go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go. You go. You go. You're no crying this time. You don't have to cry when Dada's here. Okay? He's almost here, guys. So, malapit na yung ama nila. So, yun. Kaya sinabi ko yun. Nakikinig yan siya. Nakikinig. He's gonna be here soon. Dada. Ikakinig. Dada's here. Okay, pumunta si Tami, guys, sa sa Asian store. What are you doing over there? What is that over here on the floor? Is that a paper of your? Oh yeah. Is that gonna blow up the? I can smell this. Hunt. There's no heat. Heater, guys, all days. Weird.
Yeah, the kerosene here is probably 20 years old. I'm surprised.
There is gas everywhere here.
Fine.
Stop it now. If it's working, stop it. Oh Lord. Okay na, I'm done. Shake it off. Shake it off. Nakakatakot naman itong asawa ko eh. That's it about our
Put on the force for smokers.
Smokers.
So smokers can stay warm.
Yeah. Smokers, guys, daw. Kaya meron siya. Karaan daw yun, guys. Matanda na daw yun. Mas matanda pa sa kanya. Okay, guys. Ito siya, guys. So, po si Tami pumunta sa Asian store. And ito yung nabili niya sa Asian store. Oh, you get this from Asian store? The garlic.
Yeah.
And of course, string beans, giant string beans. And nagpabili ako ng ampalaya, bitter melon. And ito din yun, yung pinakagusto ko, kalamansi na sabor. And lemongrass. And then thank you Han. Look, oh, sinurprise niya ako nito guys. Pandesal. Hala, hindi man ito baliwag, oy. Why you don't tell me you get pandesal, the baliwag one? What? You get the different one. I like the baliwag. What? And yeah, din pumunta din siya sa ShopRite. Ito din yung mga binibili niya. Mga ready. Mga ganito. Han, why you get more cards? How many cards do you need? We have a lot of cards upstairs.
Oh, yeah, leave those. I'm not going to leave those in the car.
Yeah. There's a lot of cards still upstairs. Huh?
As soon as I opened the door, he ran for me. I guess he smelled the kerosene. He didn't like it. Wow.
Yeah, I don't like it either. Anyway guys, so ilagay ko lang ito sa refrigerator and then magre-ready. Hubs, go to Dada, little man.
He said, I don't like that smell.
Huh?
Keep running away from me. No, I'm not going there. You run away from me. Forget it.
What did you get, sir?
This cocktail sauce for the shrimp cocktail.
Shrimp cocktail. Shrimp cocktail. And we don't have the space on everywhere, so this is gonna go everywhere to nowhere.
They're no good and they use no garbage. So, just put it back. Get me the creamer for the...
Creamer for what?
We should try to see if we can froth this. I don't know if you can froth this. We were trying, right?
What is that? Froth?
Right. In there.
What is froth? The froth?
Froth.
Froth. Okay, explain what is froth.
That's what you did to the milk that you like so much.
The one that is like white. Too much bread, guys. Hammy bread. It's a bread trick. Do you want salad to be out? Yeah.
I don't know. Right now, I don't want much of anything.
Go get the remote, Rocks, for Dada. Dada want the remote.
The other half, she chewed one up. Said the other half, she chewed one up.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she did.
She was a baby. She was a baby, baby.
She did it yesterday.
Hi guys, punta tayo sa baba. Mag-edit ako sa baba. Come in, let's go then. Come, let's go.
Understanding of basic physics. Alright, let's see which one of these beauties boy's gonna take to the big dance. You wanna count us off, buddy? As long as it's not to 32, we'll be alright. Designer sport coats are $179, plus all treasures for $99.
He doesn't get off. He doesn't run away.
Bass Pro Shops and Controls have plenty of great last-minute gift ideas in stores and online, like savings of 35% on Magical Collections, ladies' shoe cardigan sweaters. Plus, there's still time to send you gift cards for your instant delivery.
No. What?
She doesn't move. She likes it.
Oh, she likes it. She just puts up with it.
Talk to you for a second? God, you don't need to ask permission to talk to me. But since you asked, permission denied.
Kiss Dada, Rocks. Kiss Dada, Rocks. Roxy, kiss Dada.
I put them in your office. Right on schedule.
Go kiss Dada.
So Mr. B finally gave you the go-ahead? Not exactly. I had already ordered them. I'm sure he's gonna love them. Well,
She's a good girl. She let me do it.
it gets worse. Turn it around. I'm quite sure.
Nag-edit ako, guys.
Right, Mr. B?
Nanonood ng TV. What are you watching, Han?
Don't let him see this. All right? Thank God I only ordered 5.
That's the title.
You ordered 5,000.
Where are you going, Rocks?
Okay, well, I have... But you take this screen for colon cancer
Okay, ready for the car, though.
It
It's raining hard.
Yeah, come sit. She didn't go all the way.
It's okay, rain no bother. You come in outside.
Mister, you need to go out.
No, rain bothers her.
What are you doing here? Come here. What are you doing? Hi, Liam. Come here. Uy. Come here. I love mo baby na Dimple. Guys, ito si Dimples. Hi, Liam. Come here, baby. Come to mama. Come to mama, Dimple. Hoy, don't show your lobot. You're so oily. Hubs is not. Come here, little man. Come here. Hi, Dimps. Come here, bug. Dimple, Hubby bug. Come here. Do you want to see? Come here, little man. Right here. Little bug. Come here. I'm gonna show you something. Come here, okay? How are you doing, little bug? Oi, play with the laser bug. Little bug, you're so cute. Kan?
Look how creamy that is.
You play.
Look how creamy that is.
Yeah. There's no sugar. Hello, I still love it too. Don't do it. Just do it. Slide it slowly, Han. She tried to bite it. Roxy. Maulan sa labas. Grabe yung ulan. And hindi ko alam kung pupunta si Tammy sa isang bahay tonight. Pasensya na guys, daming ano. Alam nyo naman kapag ulan, yung bahay doon is bumaha yung basement. So yun, so hindi ko alam kung punta siya doon mamaya or something. You just came in from outside. You just did? What? What a good boy. Good girl eh. Tammy, can you come here? What?
Questions? No. So you want me to read questions?
No, this is what we're gonna have. Roast beef and chicken marsala. And that's it. And
You're not even close. I know you're there. I got to talk to your mama for a minute, so sit down and behave.
what is that? Is that wrong?
Yes.
Chicken lasagna. Lasagna, hun?
Franchise.
Oh, franchise? Whatever, but it's and we know what is that? Veal franchise. Also, I thought it's only one container.
Half, big tin.
Okay. Veal.
Yes.
And then why we get beef? What is that? Baked city with squash.
Sausage.
Oh, type the sweet potato over there. Do we have to do that, hun? With the veal and chicken, have the pasta?
Yes. Yvonne's making this.
I know. Okay, so this is ordered. Yvonne making this. This is, we're gonna do it because we have it already. We just read it. String bean casserole.
Yeah.
When is that? Are you gonna do it?
Yes.
Oh, prime rib. It's roast beef.
Different.
It's
Prime rib is different.
You roast the beef and fry.
It's beef. Does it taste like prime rib? No.
So this one is the chicken franchise and the veal one is go to the
Veal franchise.
the heating one. It's only one, right? Is
Yeah.
it gonna fit the whole thing?
Hmm?
Okay, it's going to do it, and then also the big seed is gonna be need to be reheat first in the oven, and then put it in the.
I don't know if it need to be. I don't know. It depends when she makes it, but yeah, probably
Okay.
it need to be reheated
And then
first.
sweet potato and this string bean casserole also.
You sure you have enough onion?
And okay, what kind of onion? Yellow,
Red onion.
red onion.
I like red onion better. You don't put peppers in seafood salad.
We
Onions.
did onion and little bit of.
Peppers?
Yes, you did.
No, celery.
Celery.
Yeah, no, you don't put
Okay,
peppers
then you
in
don't need
seafood
it then.
salad. I need celery. You need green onions for something
Celery.
else.
No, the green. Whatever. But yes, we're gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Say thank you because it's low, but thank you.
Thanks,
And
guys. I'm sorry you're a little bad.
yeah, we will see you guys next time. Okay, the next day. Thank you guys. Bye. Good night. Good night. Are you going to the other house later?
Yes.
I'm going with you.
No.
I'm going with you. My husband's leaving. Okay, I'll go with you outside. He's looking for drinks now, guys, for Christmas.
We got vodka, so we definitely need vodka. It looks pretty full.
Hmm?
The vodka looks pretty full.
Yeah.
The rum is empty.
There's more here.
That's the rum. That's it.
There's one here.
No, where did you see one here? And the vodka.
Okay, vodka. Han, no one is gonna drink like that. Angelo is not drinking that. He drink beer. We have beer downstairs a lot. Okay, guys, he's leaving. Bye, Han. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye,
Bye, guys.